Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video you are going to learn how to make oxygen bleach. Welcome back. Oxygen bleach is a powerful and eco-friendly alternative to chlorine bleach. It's a powerful and eco-friendly alternative to chlorine bleach. Now let us dive a little bit into the chemical nature of oxygen bleach. Chemical nature of oxygen bleach. Oxygen bleach is made from a chemical substance called sodium percarbonate. Sodium percarbonate by dissolving the sodium percarbonate in water. Now, how does the sodium percarbonate works? The sodium percarbonate works by releasing oxygen, which helps to leave stain and whiten surfaces. The sodium percarbonate works by releasing oxygen, which helps to leave stain and whiten surfaces. And what are the uses of oxygen bleach? Oxygen bleach is often used in laundry and household cleaning. It has many advantages over chlorine bleach. These advantages include that it is gentle on fabrics and skin compared to chlorine bleach. It is gentle on fabrics and skin compared to chlorine bleach. It is non-toxic. It is non-toxic like chlorine bleach, and it is biodegradable. It is biodegradable. It is safe for colored clothes. It is safe for colored clothes, and it is effective in removing food stains such as fat and oil stains. Alright, now what is the procedure for making oxygen bleach? Procedure for making oxygen bleach. The first step involves the preparation of sodium percarbonate. The first step involves the preparation of sodium percarbonate. How is sodium percarbonate made? Sodium percarbonate is made by reacting sodium carbonate with hydrogen peroxide. By reacting sodium carbonate with hydrogen peroxide, you make sodium percarbonate. Now, after making the sodium percarbonate, you air it, you allow it to dry for some days. Allow it to dry for some days. Then, after it has dried, then dissolve the right amount of the percarbonate. After it has dried, dissolve the right amount of sodium percarbonate in water, and then use this in your laundry purposes. Now, let's look at how to use the sodium percarbonate solution. If you intend to use it to whiten your white materials, add about that's half to about 4 liters of soapy water. Soak the white cloth in it for some time, then wash and rinse. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sure by now you should be able to prepare oxygen bleach. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.